What's up? It's your favorite ex-alcoholic. I want to talk about affirmations real quick, especially how important they are and their role in recovery. Don't roll your eyes at me, dude. Hear me out real quick. All cool kids use affirmations. Your brain is literally a quantum computer. It runs on code or neural pathways. Your entire life experience is just a series of codes running in your subconscious. That's why 90% of the thoughts that you have today are the same exact thoughts as yesterday. That's true. Then what does tomorrow look like? Now, some of those codes are awesome, but those other ones, not so much. The good news is just like a computer, we can rewrite those codes. You've accidentally written all of the codes you don't like. Now we're going to intentionally write all the codes that we do like. And an affirmation is just a series of statements that we repeat to ourselves to create new neural pathways. And that's what neuroplasticity is. It's your brain's ability to rewire itself and adapt to new information. Kind of like mental push-ups for your brain, making it stronger and way more resilient. Let's say that the old narrative that you continue thinking is, I need alcohol to cope. That's not a great story. But with affirmations, you could start writing a whole new story. Maybe one like, I've survived everything that's ever happened to me. I could survive a day without alcohol. The more you repeat these affirmations, the stronger those new neural pathways become. You get good at anything you practice, especially thinking. It's like building a new road in your mind, except this road leads to recovery and way beyond. Affirmations aren't just wishful thinking. They're literal neuroscience facts that rewire the brain. They are proven methods for altering your brain's neural network. This is how the most successful people you'll ever meet have been able to adopt new healthy habits and reach astronomical amounts of success. They rewired their brain to be a happy, healthy, successful person. So recovery is just doing what successful, happy people do every day. It's okay to try something new. You can create your own affirmations or hit the website and I got a whole bunch of them for you. Say them out loud, read them out loud, think them out loud. I do it right when I'm going to sleep and the first thing when I wake up. It feels a bit weird at first because you're literally attempting to think a thought that you didn't originate. So it feels like you're lying to yourself. But over time, it works. I promise. Remember, dude, you have the power to completely reshape your brain and reshape your future. So here's to writing a new narrative, one affirmation at a time.